The relief items were well distributed to the affected people, and we remained with some food items which we assigned our truck drivers to bring them back to the county stores. On our way back, we had some drivers who dropped and stole some items which were destined to the stores. As we speak, there are drivers who stole some bags of maize, some bags of beans, some bales of blankets, and an assortment of mosquito nets. They were arrested by wananchi and taken to the police station, and as we speak, 2 of our drivers are in custody and police are going on with their investigations. Many of our staff are writing statements, and once the investigation is complete, then they are going to be arraigned in the court of law, where law would take its course.